So when we first figured out our season, I went through my closet and got rid of everything that wasn't an autumn. And that really was crazy, but it made it easy for me to start my capsule wardrobe of just autumn clothes.
Yeah, I did the same thing. And when I started, it was just so easy to start with all those basic layering pieces, which is basically what a capsule wardrobe is.
Right. So really, a capsule wardrobe is just 70% foundational pieces that you can mix and match. You can dress up, you can dress down, and that kind of makes it easy when you're getting dressed in the morning.
Yeah, so that was all the tanks, and I got new tanks, I got new t-shirts, I got like a few little blazers, I got new jeans in my colors. And so anything that I could just mix and match, I could dress up or down. So that's kind of like this shirt here. This was one of my first things, and I've had this shirt a couple of years. But I could dress it up or down, so I can wear it with jeans, or I can wear it with some pants and some heels and dress it up. I can wear it with a cute little bubble skirt that I have. I have a little white bubble skirt that I can wear it with. And I just think that's so cute. And that's what a capsule wardrobe is, really. It's all those pieces you can mix and match, and you can just pair with other things that you can dress up and down.
Right. And I thought it was really easy if I started with my neutrals, which I'm an autumn and I have all of the neutrals.
Yeah, it's just not fair.
No, because you almost have none.
I know. Like, neutrals for summers are a little bit hard, which we do have white.
Right.
And we have kind of a like creamy white. Mm-hmm. But other than that, like, we don't get black, we don't get brown, we don't get a really good gray.
Right.
It's been difficult.
And it's kind of, I think people think of neutrals as non-colors. They're the tans, or the creams, or the beiges, which is really not true. I learned that, I guess that's something I learned through our color analysis journey, because that's something that I kind of thought as well, but now I know better.
Right. So that's one of the things that I had to figure out and learn, like basic, really getting into those neutrals, is realizing neutrals do have a color. And so like I have this like yellow, which I consider it a neutral. I can pair that with so many other colors, like, to add that pop.
And if you don't know your season, I think the best neutral to choose from is navy, because they are so similar. You almost can't tell the difference between each season's navy. So that's the best to choose from.
Yeah, I would say in my closet, I have a lot of navies. I have every foundational piece in a navy, and that includes like jackets and sweatshirts as well.
Well, do you have the neutral of true red? Because that was a surprise that really kind of threw me for a loop. Like, why is true red a neutral?
Right. I didn't know that either. So true red is the one color that every season that it complements their undertone in every season, which seems crazy. So that makes it the ultimate neutral.
Right. And that also makes a great, like, when you are time to grow your wardrobe, that makes a good fun piece, a statement piece.
Yeah. And so I heard somewhere that with your capsule wardrobe, it should be 70% like foundational pieces.
Right.
And then you have another 30%, that's your statement pieces. That's your fun pieces that you're just going to wear, you know, for occasional wear that you may spend some money on, and you may not get as much use out of it.
But they're fun.
I don't know if you're like me, but I go, okay, I'm going to buy this dress and I may wear it twice. So divide that by the $100 price tag. And so I basically spent $50, but those are those pieces.
Right.
30% of your wardrobe, and everybody needs that.
True.